Welcome back to Auto Review. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious and capable SUVs on the market, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Limousine. Toyota has taken their legendary off-roader and transformed it into a premium stretched limousine, blending rugged performance with first-class luxury. Let's explore everything this beast has to offer, from its bold exterior to its high-end interior, powerful performance, and pricing details. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Land Cruiser Limousine keeps the classic, boxy off-road stance that the Land Cruiser is known for, but with a significantly elongated body. Toyota has extended the wheelbase to accommodate extra cabin space, creating a limousine that looks both imposing and elegant. The front fascia features a massive chrome grille, sleek LED headlights, and an aggressive bumper design that enhances its road presence. Along the sides, you'll notice the extended doors and elongated windows, ensuring a spacious and luxurious feel. The limousine rides on massive 22-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, ensuring it maintains its off-road credibility. The rear features a bold tailgate with LED taillights and a streamlined design, giving it a premium yet rugged appeal. Now, stepping inside, the Land Cruiser Limousine is all about luxury and comfort. The extended cabin offers a spacious lounge-style seating arrangement, featuring plush leather upholstery, reclining captain's chairs, and an advanced climate control system to keep passengers comfortable in any weather. The limousine is equipped with a high-end entertainment system, including multiple screens, surround sound speakers, and ambient lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere. A premium minibar, fold-out tables, and even a starlit ceiling add to the overall executive feel of the cabin. The driver's section remains practical, with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a suite of driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera for effortless maneuvering. Under the hood, Toyota has ensured that this limousine is as powerful as it is luxurious. The 2025 Land Cruiser Limousine is powered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth yet responsive performance. Despite its limousine status, Toyota has maintained the Land Cruiser's off-road capabilities, equipping it with a full-time 4WD system, locking differentials, and adaptive suspension to handle any terrain with ease. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling rugged trails, this limousine offers a perfect balance of power and refinement. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Limousine is a highly customized vehicle, so prices can vary significantly based on configurations and added luxury features. The base model of the Land Cruiser starts at around $55,000, but with the limousine conversion, premium interior upgrades, and high-end technology, this extended version can cost anywhere from $150,000 to over $200,000, depending on the level of customization. So, is the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Limousine worth it? If you're looking for the ultimate combination of off-road capability and high-end luxury, this vehicle delivers in every way. It's perfect for VIP transport, special events, or simply making a statement on the road. Let me know what you think about this unique Land Cruiser in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth car reviews here on Auto Review. See you in the next one.